Hello all, welcome to C Programming Learning. In this video, we will understand how to find out LCM of any two numbers. So LCM is least common multiple of two values. It's the smallest positive value which the multiple of both the values. For that, we will start with a new program. And inside new program, first of all, we will initialize two numbers, two positive numbers. We'll store the two numbers in some another variable, and we'll check the divisibility of two numbers, and if it is divisible by complete way, then we can display the maximum number which we have stored as a LCM of those numbers. So here we will start with our programming. So first of all, I would write our header file, that is #include stdio.h, and then I will write down integer main function. So I write down integer main in bracket. We are going to declare two variables, a comma b comma max, that is the maximum variable, and then we'll use one more tertiary variable, that is a step, and then our LCM variable. Now here we have declared these variables as we are going to use them in our program. So first of all, we will initialize a as 3. Suppose we want to find out the LCM of a and 3. So we'll take out LCM of a and 3 and b as 4. So here these are the two numbers, from of that we are going to find out the LCM. If I am providing LCM right now, the value of the LCM variable to 0, because initial value of this variable will be 0. Now I am going to use one if statement. If in bracket a is greater than b, if it is like that, then you have to simply assign the max to step and it's to a, and then I'll do like else. If it is not like that, what you have to do is the max value will be nothing but the b. So max is equal to step is equal to b. So this way we have done second. Now it will check the repetition loop till using a while statement. So I am providing while 1. Here inside while statement, what I am going to do is I am putting the condition to find out the LCM. So if max modulo percentage sign modulo, that is a divisional operator, if max or the maximum value is modulo a, that means divisible by a, equal to 0, that means it is completely divisible by a, ampersand if max modulo b is also divisible and completely divisible by 0, then what you have to do is you have to write down the LCM is equal to nothing but the max. Now here the max LCM value will get changed to the max, and again you have to break the while loop, as it is very important to provide a break statement, and again you have to go to check for the next iteration, that is max plus. So it will again check for the next divisibility check of max. So max plus minus plus is equal to step, and then we are going to print the same result, that is the printf. So we'll use a printf statement to print our result. Print in bracket, we will see L dot C dot M is nothing but the percentage d, and then comma our LCM variable value, and providing a semicolon, and then return 0. So here we are going to provide a return 0. So here LC, okay, fine. Now as you can see, we have initialized our a and b, and then we have made them to max a and b. Then inside, if while is true, if max is divisible by a and by b, then LCM will become max, and then it will get break, and if it will increment the max and then it will end the while loop, and then it will display the LCM. We have initialized the number, we have stored maximum of A and B to max. Check if the max is divisible by A and B. If it is divisible, then display the max as a LCM, and if it is not divisible, then step increase max to go to step 3, and again that is the step 3 is our check if max is again divisible by A and B. This way we are going to use this technique to find out the LCM, that is the least common multiple of any two values. Then we will save our file as lcm.c and let's build this file. So build finished with 0 errors here, and then we have to check what is the LCM. So as you can see, the LCM, that is least common multiple, that is 12, that is 3 into 4, 12. So LCM of 3 and 4 is nothing but 12. Let's try out some other variables. I'll go for 5 and then I'll go for 10. So here you can see built and run it again, and you can see the LCM of 5 and 10 is nothing but the 10. So this way you can find out LCM of any two values by using while loop and if loop. Thank you.